In this episode, Birds of the World reveals the secret nights of premier nocturnal travelers, spanning deserts, forests, and icy shores. Each segment highlights a different species whose twilight lifestyle uncovers astonishing colors, unusual calls, and remarkable survival tricks. Viewers witness silent ambushes, moonlit migrations, harmonic dusk choruses, and daytime naps that seem paradoxical yet perfectly adapted. Experts briefly explain the science behind these feats, while lush visuals and precise measurements keep every fact accurate. By subscribing, audiences join a global community tracking feathered explorers across continents and celebrating their breathtaking biodiversity every day.